Stephanie Stitches here. I'm just popping on really quick tonight just to let you all know the winner of the Fort Worth Fabric Studio Simply Spring Quilt Kit giveaway. I'm real excited to sew this with you all. This is going to end up 38 by 38 inches. They're calling it a table topper, but I can see this as a table topper, a wall hanging, or even a baby quilt because of the size. It's perfect. So I hope you guys sew along with me. The sew along starts June 6th and it goes through June 20th. Every Monday, Fort Worth Fabric Studio will release the patterns and you'll download that PDF. I'll link their website down below where you can find the patterns and purchase the kit if you're interested. If you didn't win this, I'd love to have you sew along with me, and they are more than happy if you also decide to use their stash, but I like to support them by purchasing their fabric from their store for giving us the free patterns. I think it's a nice thank you, but I know not everybody can afford it, and they do too, so they're more than happy for you to use your stash. So I hope to see you all June 6th. I'm going to pop the name of the winner in now. Okay, congratulations to the winner, and don't forget to contact me at stephanies.stitches@yahoo.com. I will never ask for your information right here on YouTube. Please don't put it in the chat down below. We don't want any of your information public. I would never put my phone number here public. So make sure that you email me. You have 24 hours to email to claim your prize. I can't wait to get this out to you, so don't forget to get in touch with me. If you haven't claimed it within 24 hours, I'm going to pick a new winner because I want to give this to somebody. Hopefully you'll get in touch with me. But if you haven't, if you didn't win, I'm so sorry. I wish I had one for everybody. This is the hard part for me because I'd love to give this kit to everybody, but obviously this is given to me from Fort Worth to give to you guys, and on top of it, it's a business, so they do have to sell them, but I feel like we could support them for giving us the free patterns by purchasing it. But if you can't afford to do that, they know that there's people on a budget that can't do that, you are more than welcome to sew with your stash. So I hope to see you June 6th and for the sew along, and take care and have a great evening. Bye.